If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To view and edit the general options for a selected pivot table in Excel, click the Options button in the Pivot Table button group on the Pivot Table Analyze Contextual tab in the ribbon. Doing this then opens the Pivot Table Options dialog box where you can set several general options that control the appearance and behavior of the selected pivot table. To change the name of the pivot table, type a name for it into the Pivot Table Name field. Below that, there are several tabs that represent the various pivot table option categories. To view the layout and formatting options for the display of the pivot table, click the Layout and Format tab and then change any options to change the appearance of the pivot table data as desired. To change the display of totals and subtotals in the pivot table and set its general filtering and sorting behaviors, click the Totals and Filters tab and then check or uncheck any options as desired. To set options that determine the appearance of the pivot table in the worksheet, click the Display tab and then check or uncheck any desired options. To change the sorting of fields in the field list of the pivot table, select the desired option under the Field List section of this tab. To set the appearance of the pivot table if it is printed, click the Printing tab and then check or uncheck any desired options to enable or disable them as desired. To set options that control the relationship shared between the pivot table and its source data, click the Data tab and then set any available options as desired. Finally, to enter alt text for the pivot table in Excel to aid accessibility, click the Alt Text tab and then enter a title and description for the pivot table into the fields of the same name. After setting the pivot table options you want, click the OK button in this dialog box to apply them. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.